Hello guys, we are making a delicious homemade bread. It requires no machine, no bread maker. It's incredible. In my household, we stopped buying bread. We're just making it from scratch because, well, it's delicious, it's filling. And yeah, I think we should get into it, right? Let's do it. In a big bowl, add 2 cups of white flour and 1 cup of whole grain flour or gluten-free flour, 1 sachet or 7 grams of dried yeast, 1 teaspoon of salt, and a few fennel seeds for flavor. Trust me, fennel makes this recipe incredible. Mix well all the dried ingredients and create a small well in the middle of the mixture. In that well, add the olive oil and the water. Using your hands, slowly bring your hands from the outside to inside. You really want to make a beautiful, smooth, elastic dough. Cover the bowl with clean film, which will keep it nice and humid, and place the dough in the fridge for 24 hours. This helps to make the bread more flavorous. Just before you get the bread from the fridge, turn your oven to 200 degrees Celsius. Oil your hands and slowly remove the dough from the bowl and place it on a baking sheet, shaping it to your liking. You can cut the dough on the surface in 3 different places, more for looks than anything. Transfer the dough with the baking sheet into a casserole dish with a lid and bake the bread for 40 minutes with the lid on and 15 minutes with the lid off so that the bread takes the brownish color that you see. And oh my God, just look at this! It smells amazing. Also, the whole house smells great when a freshly baked bread is out of the oven. Look at how soft and fluffy it is. Can't wait to dig into it. Butter tends to be my first choice for a freshly cooked bread. The combo is just to die for. I also like adding honey. This reminds me of my childhood. So happy right now. Obviously, there are so many ways of enjoying the bread. Who am I to tell you how to eat it? But a couple of ideas that I can suggest are with avocado and poppy seeds, and with tahini, and why not some honey on top. And there you have it, delicious homemade bread. And that was it. Thank you so much for watching. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up. Comment on the section below and do subscribe because I upload new content every week. See you in the next episode.